thunderstorm warning for Central Towns County in northeastern Georgia, Union County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Old Town, or near Blairsville, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blairsville, Young Harris, Morganton, Hemp, Margaret, Blue Mountain Shelter, Brassbound Ball, Knockley Dam, Hurst, Ivy Log, Loving, Jones Creek, Woods Hole Shelter, Low Gap Shelter, Dial, Old Town, Vogel State Park, Track Rock, Blood Mountain Shelter, and Culberson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-634-4664 to report at NWS Atlanta. At 3 p.m. in Gainesville. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has described severe thunderstorms.